everybody, I'm Tammy. I'm going to be showing you how to create airy waves for your hair in 5 simple steps.
Moisturize the hair after every wash. I use Project Sukuroi. Add heat protection and bang for your blowout with the Atonic Thickening Spritz. Curl the hair by wrapping it around the waving wand. Shine and hold is added with the Frizzy Logic Shine Spray. Last but not least, bring on another new era of volume with the Desert Dry Volumising Texture Spray.
Okay, so what we're going to do is section the hair out, whichever way is most easiest for you. You could be using 3 sections, so from the ear to the other ear, temple to the other temple, and then curl the top last.
We're going to wrap a medium section of hair around the barrel. The motion of wrapping is outwards, away from the face. The hair on our right side gets curled outwards towards the right, and the hair on our left side curled outwards to the left. I've set my wand's temperature to 170 degrees. If the temperature is too low, the curl won't hold as well, and set too high, we'd be damaging the hair. A well moisturized and heat protected hair reduces the risk of damage and drying out in the hair during the styling process. This is why, guys, a moisturizer and heat protectant is very important. The thickness and texture of the hair determines the length of time the hair is being held around the barrel. Only with practice you'll grasp an idea of the time best for you. The thickest part of my hair at the back I hold for about 10 seconds, and the finer hair at the front, especially the hairline, I hold for 2 to 3 seconds. For longer lasting curls, it is best to let the hair cool in a curled up position. This is why I am holding the curl up and shaking the heat off, allowing the hair to cool down before I let out the fresh curl. At the crown of the head, I've chosen to section it out in radial directions. I find this technique easy to approach and effortless in style.
And then release. So there you have it. You have the curls.
To dress out the hair, tilt the head over and apply the Frizzy Logic Shine Spray. Massage and scrunch, allowing the spray a few seconds to dry, set and give hold to the curl. With the Desert Dry Volumising Texture Spray, again have the head tilted and be generous and apply sparingly. Shake, massage and scrunch, breaking up the curls especially at the roots. Flip up the hair and mould it into shape. I like to mould the shape in a way to create a lengthening effect. To do this, I lift up the roots, stretch down the ends, and then fan the front fringe or bangs. Some call it the money piece. Sometimes the curls may clump together. To create the airy look, we could pull and stretch the hair, breaking it apart using our fingers as the comb. You could choose to set the hair with some hairspray to hold your desired look. Throughout the day, the hair may flatten. A quick way to achieve instant volume and airy hair: tilt your head upside down again, shake and scrunch, flip the hair up, and you'll be photo ready. Enjoy, everyone. I hope you have just as much fun as I do.
And so there you have it, voluminous airy waves. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions about the styling or the products I've used and any other hairstyles and how to achieve the look, feel free to message them to me. I will definitely have a look into it and possibly create another video for you too. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye for now.